was obviously a frustrating development for those of you who may have gotten long on Tuesday's settlement above the 288.92 formation, 288.35. They've converged pretty closely today. We obviously gapped back below it and closed below it, and there's a certain case to be made for a buy signal rejection. And so that being the case, there is quite the possibility here over the next 2 to 3 weeks that we can fall away to 216.69. And that really is the 2 to 3 week play right now. This rejection of a classic buy signal, which did occur on Tuesday with the settlement above the 288.92 area, that is in itself a valid sign of weakness, a valid sell signal. So playing the short side is a valid approach. Along those lines, I do want to bring your attention to, this is a weekly triple Q, the NASDAQ 100 ETF. It shows a buy signal with a settlement this week above 487.93. We could actually, and probably will, see this area before the week is out. It's a significant pivot point, and if we close above 487.93, we have a meaningful buy signal back to the February all-time highs within 3 to 5 weeks. And under that scenario, let's say we close today above 288.92. You might go long again in anticipation of continued gains as we move through May. And that would be validated, of course, with a Friday settlement above 487.93. Or you just might wait for the NASDAQ to close above 487.93 on Friday before activating a 3 to 5 week trade to the upside, anticipating 375.59. But the opening and closing back below the upper 280s does keep this market highly susceptible to falling away over the next 2 to 3 weeks to 216.69. So much so that I think you can trade that. And that, by the way, is consistent with what we're seeing in the triple Q. I personally think that anybody who's trading Tesla and Nvidia should also have daily triple Q and SPY analysis at their disposal, and you can access that at wickedstocks.com. So holding below, once again, the upper 280s will keep the mid 210s in reach over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And along those lines, closing today below 272.42, it is a key pivot point. It is the low of the high. That high was put out on Monday, and if we close below that low, 272.42 today, I see 254.56 probably on Friday. But really overall, once again, holding below the upper 280s will keep mid 210s in reach. And if over the next 3 to 5 days we close below 254.56, I think you've got another full week of activity, 3 to 5 more days where 216.69 would be anticipated. 2 to 3 week swing traders can sell the upper 280s or stay short below them, anticipating 216.69. 3 to 5 day swing traders can stay short, anticipating 254.56, which is likely tomorrow. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.